After receiving the machine, you can decide for yourself whether to remove the white protective film according to your needs. Step 1. Unscrew the 3 screws at the top and remove the front panel. Remove the blue tape that covers the ice plate. Use your hands to push aside the ice plate and check if there is any remaining tape or if the ice plate is stuck. After confirming that everything is correct, restore the front panel. Step 2. Install the filter and place the sealing ring in the corresponding position. Check if the sealing ring of the drainage pipe has come off. Step 3. Install the machine's water inlet. Connect the 6-inch fitting the yellow part on the sticker of the filter to the upper water inlet of the machine. Please rotate clockwise until it is tightened. Connect the drain pipe fitting to the lower end of the black water outlet on the back of the machine. Please rotate clockwise until it is tightened. Connect the other end of the filtered part with the red sticker to the faucet. After confirming that it is tightened, turn on the water valve. Place the other end of the drainage pipe into the drainage channel. Step 4. Screw the 4 bases clockwise into the base. Screw the black drain pipe adapter into the drain opening at the ice bucket. Use the retaining ring to secure the gray drain pipe and insert it into the black drain pipe. Place the other end of the drain pipe into the drain opening. Insert the plug into the socket and press the power switch. Once the machine is successfully connected, it will undergo a 5-minute cleaning process. Step 5. We suggest that after the 5-minute automatic cleaning process, you press the power button on the display. Once the screen shows OFF, press the clean button. This will perform a single cleaning session lasting for 45 minutes. After the cleaning is completed, press the cleaning button again to carry out the second cleaning. After the machine completes the cleaning process, it will automatically start making ice. In OFF mode, click the third key to set the time. The up and down keys increase or decrease the time. Each press represents an increase or decrease of 10 minutes. If no operation is performed for 5 seconds, it will be regarded as confirmation. While the equipment is in operation, click the third button to display the condenser temperature. While the equipment is in operation, click the fourth or fifth key to increase the ice-making chamber, thereby achieving the purpose of increasing or decreasing the thickness of the ice cubes. If the ice block is too thick, you can set the time to 3. If the ice cubes are too thin, you can set the time to 3. If no operation is performed for 5 seconds, it will be regarded as confirmation. Press the boot shutdown button. After the screen shows OFF, press the clean button. The machine will start to automatically clean itself for 45 minutes. After the automatic cleaning is completed, it will start to make ice.